Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe in just 3 days. Remove dark spots and get rid of black spots. Get even tone skin, spotless skin whitening, and it's super effective. Get even skin tone naturally with very simple ingredients. With neem leaves you can get an amazing skin whitening. This DIY neem gel leaves easy to prepare at home, yet it's super effective. The first thing we will need in a cup, add 1 teaspoon of dried neem leaves, and if you do have fresh neem leaves you can use it instead. Here I'm using dried neem leaves and grind it fine. Then add on it hot boiling water. Mix the ingredients very well like so. Now strain it. And add on it aloe vera gel, around 4 teaspoons. And mix well. It's going to be like a serum. Now apply it on your skin, apply drops on your skin and massage the skin with it like so. Leave it on the dark spots and the black spots, leave it overnight and you will get even skin tone naturally. This is super effective. In 3 days you will notice a great results. It is super effective guys and super easy to prepare. I hope that video will help you too. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.